So in the previous classes, we have discussed the prerequisites, right? The prerequisites, we understood the what is a CPC, what is the CPA, correct? We all have thorough understanding. So it's strictly suggested. So if you find it's not going to work for your business running the Google Ads, you should not run the Google Ads. And if you are not certain whether that's going to give you any outcome or not, the return on the investment, we call it as return on the investments. If you don't have, if you don't have any clear picture whether you're going to get any returns. See, obviously, when you are investing 1 lakh rupee, you expect to make some return, right? Return out of it. Even if you make 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs, sometimes it won't be profitable because from this 1 lakh revenue, you are already sending 1 lakh worth products gone. Then you have operational cost, shipping cost, or maybe various kinds of cost. It can be any business. I'm taking example of e-commerce business. To sell 1,000 rupees product, if you are investing 500 rupees, gone. You are already negative. Correct? So understanding return on the investment is super important. Correct? Right. Okay. So in the last class, we understood you have to click on this plus button. You have to go to the campaigns, click on the plus button, and then it displays multiple options for you. Okay. So I suggest better always prefer website traffic. So though you need sales leads, you still prefer website traffic. It's going to be the same whether you pick this or pick. It's just that you are giving more control or more information to Google Ads platform, which is going to make the suggestions accordingly for you. Okay, it suggests you to put CPA, cost per acquisition mode, where it asks you to pay on basis of the leads rather than clicks. Okay, so there are different things. So always go with website traffic, focus on more traffic, focus on quality traffic for your website, take control of your traffic, and you know how to convert them by having the appropriate selling elements on the web page or the right landing page for your user or the right product, which we have discussed earlier. The scenarios where when your product will not have the ROI, right? Yeah, so these are the things, the pricing, everything we understood. So somewhere in previous classes, we have understood when will you have the highest ROI or more conversions, right? You all know, right? We have discussed you need to have the best product, best selling elements on the web page, even the course price matters, right? Somewhere we have discussed them. If we haven't covered them, we'll cover them again. Okay. Okay. So now it's all about exploring how to launch a campaign and what's needed to launch a campaign so that you can automate the process as well. Launching the campaigns process. Okay. So let's quickly go to the Google Ads account. I'll pick one of the accounts. Let's say, yeah, I'll go with this. You can use this. So click on the plus and then new campaign. I'll pick the option website traffic, continue, and we all discussed Google allows us to publish various kinds of campaigns. You can run ads only on YouTube. Okay, so this demand generation is new. This was not there when few months back. Last batch when I was explaining, this was not there. So Google keeps introducing different options. It figures out the new ways of making revenue or taking more money from you. Okay, it's not just about it's doing some great favor for you. Even they think of their revenues. Okay, so search is one which we will go with, and I'll tell you what is search. Okay, see, search is you are planning to show ads only on Google search, something like this. Buy chicken pickle Bangalore. right? Okay, so these are shopping ads actually. These are also search ads, but shopping ads. Okay, so these are all organic results. I'll take some other product for e-commerce related. You will see shopping ads. Okay, so now CSM training in Bangalore. Okay, maybe I have to use incognito. Yeah, so these are the search ads. You all got it? So this is what kind of marketing is this? Building a visibility for your business like this. What kind of category can you put it under? Push or pull? So we all already discussed what is push marketing and what is pull marketing, correct? What is push marketing? So your marketing implementations or activities are for the people who are already badly in need of it, where you are just building visibility for your products or service or website or content, whatsoever it is, and you're trying to grab the attention of people who are badly in need of it. Okay, for example, a supermarket owner or superstore or a kirana store owner, he puts effort in building that infrastructure and makes sure he is available in your area, and when you are badly in need of it, you will walk to that store, right? That is, you go and approach him, you will ask for a coffee powder or a tea powder and he pushes it to you, correct? That is push marketing. Remember that he pushes it to you, and that's push marketing. And in pull marketing, your marketing efforts are mainly to educate people about the product regardless of their interest or want or necessity. Educate them and expect a sale or conversion happening from them. That is about pull marketing. Okay, you all understood now. So tell me, what is this, to which category you push this to? Is it a push marketing or pull marketing? Someone coming to Google and searching, correct? People are badly in need of it. You will go to Google and search only when you are badly in need of it, right? Otherwise, why will you go to Google, correct? This is a push marketing. Okay, so this campaign that which we have picked here is a push marketing campaign. The option that you have picked here is a push marketing campaign, search campaign. Okay, so this is combination of push and pull. We will discuss one by one. Okay, so for now, when I'm using Google ad for my product or for my business, I'm more interested in push marketing because I know the advantages of push marketing and disadvantages of pull marketing, correct? Yeah, next is your business website. Maybe I'll put it for now, https colon slash slash www.candradigital.com. Campaign's name, this is October noon batch, or maybe I'll let me not put it the batch, I'll just call it as digital marketing training Bangalore. Or I'll also use search in front of it. Search. This is search campaign, digital marketing training Bangalore. See, anything you can have anything that easily indicates what it is about. Okay. So you just click on continue. Do you all want screenshot of this as well? Have you taken the screenshot? Yes, search. So what is next? Next is the website name. This is optional, you can provide it later also. See, on basis of this, the platform suggests you titles and descriptions, the ads, okay, and various other keywords as well that you can bid on. Okay, so hence you consider providing those details as well. Okay, yeah, so provide the website details as well. campaign name. Okay, I think I should use different color. Okay, so what is next after this? Just continue. Create a new campaign or finish a saved draft. Start new. Okay, earlier we must have tried creating other campaigns and it asks to start from there. I don't want to touch them. Okay, so yeah, bidding. What do you want to focus on? Conversions? No, I want to focus on clicks. See, if I select conversions, set a target cost per acquisition. Okay, this is optional anyways. And in case if you pick, see, this is all playing with you psychologically. Okay, so it is asking you set a target cost per acquisition. You will now set it as 100 rupees. It says, boss, click itself is costing you 100 rupees and I cannot get a sale for you at 100 rupees. Correct? So now it makes you, everybody bids at 1000 rupees or 1500 is the ideal number and makes you to bid at 1500 rupees. And it took your bidding strategy in control. Now it starts showing your ads for, it gives you different options, showing your ads for different kinds of keywords which you don't wanted to bid on. Okay, so bid for new customers only. So let me not go with this. I'll just pick the option clicks only. I just want more control on my traffic. Okay, ignore everything else. Set a maximum cost per click bid limit. You can set, so somewhere let's say the 30 rupees is the CPC maximum. See, sometimes it might go to 200, 300 also. There were scenarios the CPC went up to 1500 rupees also, right? So now you don't want that to be happening. So I am putting a condition, do not charge me more than 40 rupees. And whatever clicks, whatever keywords for whichever keywords I am eligible to show up at 40 rupees, show my ad only for those keywords is what this does it now. Regardless, even you might have added 20 keywords or 50 keywords. So if CPC's limit is 40 and the CPC is actually costing, the maximum bid limit you have set as 40, but ideally it must be costing 60 rupees or 70 rupees. In those cases, for those keywords, your ads will not appear. Okay. So be careful about this bidding. So this option as well. So bid for new customers. See, you don't have to, since this being a search, you can show ads to new or old. I'll tell you what is this bid for new customers. Bid for new customers is your, when you select this, if you have already searched like this and have visited the website, it doesn't show ad to you. That's what bid for new. You are not a new, right? You have already visited the website, correct? It's not a, you are not a new visitor anymore, correct? So now ad won't be shown for you. Ad won't be shown for you. And if someone else is searching for the first time and haven't visited your website, then the ad will appear. And that's exactly the same happens with this setting. So I don't want that to be happening. If somebody is searching, he may have visited my website 1 month back or 10 days back, he haven't made the purchase yet. If he is searching for it, still he is in need of it, correct? So I'll just unselect this and go with this option. Click on next. Yeah, and you have to be very careful. Look at this. By default it has marked include Google display network and include Google search partners. So I don't want my ad to be shown on some other website like this. I'll just take you to the website. Okay, so look at this. On this website you might see ads of various businesses. Let me go to one of the article. Just hold on, you will see the ads. It's loading still. Yeah, you see, coming from Google Ads, Google Display Ads. So when you select this option, display network, your ads will start showing on other websites like this. Do you see this? So it can be the text ads also, not necessarily the image ads, depending on what kind of information you provide, text or image. You all got it right? But then this is not a push marketing, correct? This will be pull marketing. See, I am reading the news here and you are showing ads. So this company is trying to build visibility for their business. You might get attracted to that offer. That depends on the complete product offering, that depends on how effective is your targeting. So for example, I will show somebody is getting married and I will show honeymoon packages to them. There are good chances of the honeymoon packages getting sold. Correct? See, if I am showing take a course, digital marketing training, they will not pay attention to it. They are getting married next week and now this product can be easily sold. Correct? So if you can target well, even the pull marketing campaigns might work very effectively. Correct? But then see, now I have no clue why they are showing all this furniture to me. Maybe I don't know. My wife must be planning to purchase some of this. And she might have used my laptop or computer to browse some of these products. Okay. So that is called as remarketing. Though that is a pull marketing, it's remarketing. And if it is remarketing, that can be pushed under push marketing. Okay, that's a different thing. So what I suggest is always, if you have decided to go with push marketing for your business, unselect this, include Google Display Network. Right? This is another smart tactic or a scam played by Google. They are giving you an option search campaign, and when you come inside, they are again making you to select the anyways. Luckily, it's not compulsory, right? And this is Google search partners. Who are Google search partners? Google Maps, Google Play Stores. There are so many websites of Google, like Google YouTube, right? So your ads would appear in those places as well. If you don't want that to be happening, just unselect it. Even this will be waste of money. Okay. See, the another biggest foolishness of some of the digital marketers is, see, obviously when your ads are displayed like this, the CPCs are cheaper. The CPCs are very less for this. The CPCs are very less for these kinds of ads. Are you all following this? The display marketing CPCs are very less, might cost 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 3 rupee, right? When it comes to search, something like this, the ads shown on the search engines, they will cost you very high, 30 rupees, 50 rupees, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, based on the competition, industry competition, based on the country or the region that you are targeting. Do you all get that? Right? So now some of the foolish digital marketers want to show that it costs cheaper or lesser. They will simply go and select this display marketing or search partners. Just because the tomatoes or onions are 1 rupee kg, will you buy all the spoiled one? You will prefer to buy what is needed for you and what is quality for you. Correct? Correct? So just because a truck full of garbage or dust cost you only 1 rupee, will you go and buy that one? All the market waste? No, right? What is needed for you? Though the onion costs 70 rupees or 80 rupees, you want to buy onions only, correct? Chili, tomato, whatever. So though the chili is all spoiled, will you buy it, and just because it's 1 rupee, will you buy all the spoiled chili? No, right? So see, the people have to come out of that mindset. Just because your CPCs come down, people will go and select display network and include search partners. There is a different strategy for that. Don't include it in the search network. Separately, you can launch a new campaign where you will be running only the display campaigns. Okay. So now in this, keep it clean. Don't go with search partners and don't go with display networks. So now here you are going to. So let me take screenshot of this as well. Correct. So written explanation, maybe one of you have to write it in the document. Okay. So I'll just mark this and select and select. All right. can write the text here. Don't select, don't check this circled boxes if you want to keep it as just search campaign. Okay. Okay, I'll get this text here somewhere or maybe here. Okay, you all understood? I'll copy paste this image. So I don't have to write any additional text, it's all on the image. Okay, what is next? Next, pick the location, enter any another location. So you can enter, you can see, good thing is the best part is you can show ads only in HSR layouts or this pin code surrounding 5 kilometers, surrounding 10 kilometers, surrounding 10 kilometers. So 560102. Yeah. You can just go with that location. So there are more options for you. 1 second, guys, everybody. Hello. Onshila చెప్పండి. ఆపేది. నిన్న సూర్య వాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడుతున్నా. అది ఫిక్స్ అయిపోయింది కూడా. హైదరాబాద్ ఏమి ప్రాబ్లం మా సైడ్ నుంచి అయితే ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. ఇట్స్ ఆల్ యాజ్ యూజువల్. మీరు సేల్స్ టీమ్ ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయండి. సో ఐ డోంట్ థింక్ దేర్ ఇస్ ఎన్ ఇష్యూ హైదరాబాద్. అవును, అవును. చాలా కష్టం లేదు, నేను మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయగలను. ఐ కెన్ వాక్ యూ త్రూ ది అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ ఎఫర్ట్ ఇన్వాల్వ్డ్ అండ్ కరెక్ట్, కరెక్ట్. సో మీరు ఎప్పుడు ఫ్రీ ఉంటారు? 3 o'clock ఫ్రీ అవుతారా? 3 o'clock తర్వాత యూ కెన్ హ్యావ్ ఇట్ అరౌండ్ 3:30, 4 o'clock. అంతే కదా? ఓకే అండి, ఓకే. సరే అండి, ఓకే. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. So you have more options. You can exclude people or interest people in. See what happens with this is, see you have picked a location, HSR layout, or let's assume Bangalore. Okay, but you are, see now this doesn't assure you showing ads only to people in HSR layout. You must be staying in Marathalli or maybe in some other place in India, anywhere, even outside countries also in some cases. Okay, so the ads will still appear for you. Why? Because regularly you must have visited HSR layout in the past, and if that information is available for Google, it will start showing to you ads when you are staying in Chennai or Hyderabad or Mumbai or Himachal Pradesh, anywhere, because you have put maps, you have used maps in HSR location, you were staying in HSR location, you have done multiple things, you use network of HSR location, your browser has got information, the cookies are stored, right? So that's why the option is presence or interest. So even if you are searching for digital marketing training in HSR layout from some other location, this is both the keyword targeting as well as your historical presence in that location. If you are in this location in the past, also if your searching has HSR layout from some other reason, there is a possibility of your ad showing in for those people as well, though they are reside in different locations. Presence people in or regularly in your targeted locations. You can go with this option as well. You can decide which is more appropriate for you, right? See, for some businesses, people will be staying in Hyderabad and they will be searching for packers and movers in HSR layout because their house is in HSR. They were in HSR for very long time, quite some time, whatever, right? So now, if you are not showing ads to them, you will lose the business, right? So hence, they are suggested you can go with this option, but Google is not purely suggesting from that perspective. They will have bigger target, bigger audience base with this option, right? Your ads will be shown to more people. You will get more clicks. If you are getting more clicks, you are spending more. If you are spending more, to whom are you spending more? You are spending. You are giving that money to Google, correct? Right? You all understood? So on basis of that, you can pick in the options accordingly based on your business needs necessity, or you can experiment with it. How is the outcome when I'm selecting this, and how is the outcome when I'm selecting this option? So usually for businesses which has got lakhs of searches already on internet, you can go with this option also. Okay. Yeah. Languages in India, we use language English mostly the communication language, or even so whether you speak Hindi, Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, Marathi, Gujarati, Bengali, whatever it is, you will be typing in English only, right? Right. So hence the language is English. So if you go to European countries, Spanish, French, German, right? There are different languages. So people write in those languages. They are not in English. Okay. Yeah. Audience segments, select audience segments to add your campaign. So we'll discuss this audience segments while we launch display campaigns. This audience segments are not that useful at this moment for the search campaigns. Yeah. Yeah. So broad match keywords work with smart bidding to help you reach your campaign goals. Using broad match keywords for your entire campaign ensures consistency and provides access to additional settings such as brand restrictions. See, look at this, how tactically they are making you to work on the broad match keywords. Okay, you don't have to, by default it's off, to use broad match keywords. Switch to a conversion or conversion value based bidding strategy. Anyways, it's by default off. Don't worry about this, right? You understood, right? So we haven't taken screenshot of this. Do you want screenshot of this? We have recordings, right? Yeah. So now more settings allows you ad rotation, optimize, prefer best performing ads. See ads, it's something like, now think of a hoarding. You have purchased a hoarding space on the road, some busy street. Now think of an option for you to change this ads. If it is a static sticker, you won't be able to change. If it's a digital display, you'll be able to change the ads, right? The ads keep moving, right? So exactly here, it's not just one option. You can upload multiple ads, and on rotational basis, the platform serves ads to the user, and it understands which ad is performing best. On basis of that, it will stick to that ad. So it's going to display 20 ads, 20 ads, 5 ads, or 4 ads, whatever you are going to add, and on rotation basis, it tests with every ad once, and whichever is getting more traction, whichever is doing good, it sticks to that ad. That is ad rotation. Okay. Start date, we are starting it today. End date, you can decide. Okay. Ad schedule all the day, or you can schedule ad. My ads have to start in the morning around 9 a.m. and it has to be stopped by 6 p.m. People use this scheduling option, certain businesses, when they are especially running this Google business listing ads, where they don't want ads to be showing in the night times, right? So that way they will avoid wastage of the spend, right? Yeah. So yeah, next. Yeah, here your ad group name. So I'm going to pick the keywords only let's say, yeah, digital marketing training, or maybe some other keyword, digital marketing training. I can name it as only course related keywords. See, look at this, because you have already provided the URL. On basis of it, it has already brought the keywords for you. They will create the convenience because they are going to benefit much, right? So this platform acts as if it's doing favor for you, correct? So if it's something like, you must have seen, right, some relatives, if they have to get money from you, or if they are getting any benefits or money from you, you should see how their behavior will be, right? And when they have to give it back to you, and you should understand their response or behavior, how it will be. So Google platform is going to make money out of you, right? So hence it's creating all the favor for you as much possible. So few digital marketers, few business owners who don't understand this, they just go with this and they will click submit, submit, submit. See, in the past, I'm seeing this platform for the past 13 years at least, right? And I know, so they never used to give any of these options. We used to update the keywords manually, which I can do now also, hence I deleted it. So I don't want to bid on broad. See, if you look at their keyword suggestions, it was all in broad. I don't want that to be happening, so I'll just bid on digital marketing training, digital, let me use the phrase only, phrase or exact, digital marketing course. For now, just let me go with this two keywords. Add more keywords. Show your ads more often to people searching for what your business offers. So they are suggesting to add more keywords. Let's see what are they suggesting. Digital marketing course, digital marketing training, learn digital marketing management, best ways to learn. See, none of these keywords are useful for me. Correct? And moreover, all these keywords, if I apply, automatically they'll be applying in the broad match. See? Correct? So I'll delete. Look at this, observe right side. It's showing 1207 clicks, average CPC 3.62, and the weekly cost is around 4300 rupees. So why CPC is so less? Because you are bidding in the broad and you are picking the keywords which are not really worth driving traffic. Studying digital marketing. Why should you be bidding on all these informational queries? So and now right side, this information also changes accordingly. See, CPC went to 12 rupees. Do you see that? CPC is now 12.35 rupees. Weekly clicks, you can get only 120 clicks and the cost is around 1500 rupees. So I'll add more keywords. Digital marketing training. Sorry, training is already added, right? Course certification. So this would change now. So CPC has come down to 10.58. Okay, you all understood, right? And next is you have to write ad copies. So your URLs, so maybe I'll change this to HTTPS or so this is my trainings URL. Let's go with this trainings URL. trainings.candradigital.com. So I'll update this URL. So if I had updated this URL in the first, automatically it would have suggested a lot of keywords. Okay. So now sometimes URLs will have a lot of other information, something else in it, right? So for example, let's say URL has some information here. I don't want that to be displayed. Even if I'm copy pasting this as the landing page here, I will have some control to display some information in the URL. I'll add some details. Course. So look at this. The same shows up. The same shows up here in the ad copy. Okay. Yeah. So now they are showing you various details around your ad. So this is automatically showing up based on the landing page, initial landing pages, web services, something. So we are going to write it anyways. So you see here explore course. Yeah. So now from here we'll start writing the ad. So from landing page, our client Inventions Learning is mentioned and it's automatically picking up this term. Okay. So headlines, it has to be within 15 characters. Okay. So digital marketing training. So how many? So sorry, that's not 15 characters. You can have up to 15 headings. Okay. Four are compulsory. Okay. And this is up to 30 characters. Digital marketing training. Headline 2, free internship and placement, something. I'm lazy to write now, so I'm just updating some information. Submit your reviews, no, not your reviews. Register online today, right? Top rated training institute. Okay, just 4 is enough. You can fill all of this on rotational basis. It shows many ads. Okay. Yeah, so I'll just go with this, and your description up to 90 characters. Okay. Register online today for the premium digital marketing course premium digital marketing course from Canva digital.com. Okay, and I'll write another description. So descriptions, you can have multiple descriptions, but two is must. Okay, and agency based training with exposure on the real time projects. Okay, something like that. Yeah, I'll just ignore everything else. So you look at this here, it's showing the strength, ad strength based on the details or ad copy that you have written. Okay, so this is how your ad copy will appear. Yeah, you see here, register online today digital marketing training. So it mixes and matches. Okay, okay, next, images. So you can add images next to the ad. You will see the images as well. You can add some image. I'm just picking some image here. I can search, look at the option. I can upload images from my computer, or I can search on my website. Okay, or free stock images. See, they are creating convenience as much possible for you. So much of favor for you, right? Or trainer. So it gives me some photos. I'll just pick those. Trainer, it's showing all the gym trainers. So I can load more. I'll just pick some images. It's all easy, right? So doing all this is very easy. Understanding how they work and acting accordingly, data analysis and interpreting the data, are we really benefiting or is the outcome as expected? This is very important, right? These things maybe probably my son also might launch this if I'm showing it. He's just 5 6 years old. He will also launch it. Okay, so a good digital marketer will deal with data analysis, interpretation. Okay, and marketing knowledge. Maybe I'll use some other term. use. So it's taking time to load. So better you can upload your photo. So this is about trainings, right? A trainer photo can be uploaded from your computer. Okay, I just wanted to show the options. Uploading a photo is from there is easier, and here this is different stock images. Okay, so maybe I'll pick. Maybe I can pick any images that I want. I'll pick this. I'll pick this. It's taking time to load. I just put not selected. So it's loading now. That's why it's not selecting. Okay, you all understood, right, how to select the images here. After selecting, it shows some dimensions and add. The computer. Okay. So that is called as image extension for your ad. Okay. Yeah. So for now, we haven't added any images. Business name and logo. You can add your business name and logo. Okay. And site links. Last time I think we were discussing about the site links. Okay, so site links are the ad extensions. Below your ad you will be able to show more links. Those are site links. You can click on plus site links. So look at this, we already have some site links auto suggested based on the final URL. So let me pick this, create content writing, right? So let's say I am publishing an ad for digital marketing services. Content writing is another service. Ask a question. So automatically, so this thing, this text on, so there will be a site link text which will be displayed like this. Ask a question and descriptions. Two descriptions. They have to be updated, and it's not compulsory, but it's recommended. So then the page final URL. This all have to be different URLs. You can add multiple site links, even 20, but automatically it picks only a few, two or four from the 20 links, and accordingly it serves. Okay, I have selected all of them and I'm saving the site links. Okay, so call out statements. Did we understand what a call out statement is? We understood, we discussed it. See, any statement that helps the customer to take a call, right? So, for example, you must have taken a call in registering with this institute on basis of certain things. So, what is that information? Maybe probably the scenario based experience, real time experience on the projects, right? That's the product, that's the service, USP, unique selling proportion, that's the uniqueness, that's the offer, correct? So anything that's related to your product or service, that's a highlight, that's a unique selling proposition, that can influence the user to take the call positively about you. That's a call out statement. Now, this USP or this offer, you are putting it in the form of statements. You all got it? So let's say you are planning to purchase a mobile phone and your budget is just 20,000 rupees or just 10,000 rupees. In 10,000 rupees, multiple phones are available. But you will decide to buy one phone only at last, correct? What are you considering now? The camera quality, megapixels, the battery life, or maybe the service or the less repairs, something like that. So now all this can be when I put the statement 365 days, no charging is needed. That becomes a call out statement. That is what is making you to buy, right? Or front camera 100 megapixel. That is what is convincing or making you to decide. That's the state that is called as call out statement. Any statement that is helping you to take a call is a call out statement. And you know, when you are publishing any ad for your business, you should know your business or your products USPs, unique selling propositions. So for that phone company, 365 days battery life was a USP, correct? Correct. And for your training services, what is USP here? And for any other product that you are selling, what is the USP here? That becomes a call taking statement that helps them to take a call. That is called as call out statement, correct? So now for trainings, my call out statement will be, see, 5 out of 5 rated online. I can select this. EMI options are available. So this was a different business. This is the e-commerce portal, 30 plus years old shop. So for now I can apply this, or I can create more new call out. I'll apply this for now, or I can create more, right? Create more, and I would say practical experience on the projects. That becomes a call out statement. Lowest fee in the market, high quality training at the lowest fee in the market. That can become a call out statement, correct? Yeah. So more asset types, you can add the promotions around your product, the price of the product, so the phone numbers, right? Structured snippets, the star ratings to be shown on the below the ad. Lead forms can be added. Okay. So if you have any apps, you can add the links of those apps as well. पीताम्बर नींद आ रहा है क्या आपको? बहुत कोशिश कर रहे हैं ना आप? So done. And next. What is next? It's asking confirm it's you. To keep your data safe, please confirm that it's really you. Okay. So we'll have to confirm, or let me see, cancel. What happens? Yeah. So my budget, select the average you want to spend each day. Okay, or any custom budget. Set a custom budget. See, they have put a custom, set a custom budget, and already they have filled the default highest number from this every day. Okay, so let it be. That's okay. Or you can change it to 100 rupees, 200, 300, whatever you want, and click on next. So based on your experience creating this campaign, how much do you think Google Ad cares about the success of your business? See, Google Ads is least bothered about the success of our business. From this example, like they default selected the display ads, display camps, display marketing. They selected the search partners by default, right? It's all not what you want. So let me close this, or I can go and rate. So final submission is pending. Checking for errors. Okay. So see, there is review is happening. See, you cannot use too much of capitalizations, too many characters like extrametry, apostrophes, full stops, and special characters. Okay. So you are not supposed to use that much of characters, and additional characters it doesn't accept. Confirm, I have to confirm that it's me trying to sign up. 78. Thanks for verifying that's you. This protects your account from unorganized changes. Okay, so we are done. So after launching this, see negatives we discussed in the previous classes, right? So we have to compulsorily add the negatives. So I have bit on digital marketing training. People must be searching digital marketing training videos, digital marketing training YouTube, digital marketing training Udemy, correct? So these people will not purchase the course, correct? Not register for the training programs. So you have to add those kinds of terms, negatives, plus. So you have to keep monitoring it every day to understand for what kind of terms or keywords your ads are getting triggered. If you find anything that's not really driving conversions or quality traffic to your website, and if you think that's not going to help your business, you can add them as the negative. Okay, even before launching the campaign we have already gone through the negatives, we have launched the negatives, we have processed the negative keywords, correct? Your ad has issues that will prevent it from showing on search. We'll see what is that issue the moment it loads. Checking for others. You all understood how to launch a campaign, paid campaign? Okay. So it's taking time. So this is how it is. I don't know the reason why it's taking so much time. Internet slow or maybe something else. Okay. You all got it right. How to launch a campaign. So in the next class we will learn how to launch a display campaign, how to launch maximize performance campaign, how to launch YouTube video campaign, how to launch Google Shopping ads campaign. Okay.